Hi, everyone. Welcome to our podcast, Nature, Relaxation, Productivity. I'm Ari.
And I'm Alex. Today, we have a really exciting topic, a book that's been making waves in the world of time management. 15 Secrets Successful People Know About Time Management by Kevin Kruse.
Oh, yes, I've been looking forward to this. It's not just another time management book. Kruse really dives into the habits of highly successful people and how they manage their time.
Definitely. Before we get into that, a quick reminder for all our listeners. If you enjoy our podcast, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Arimation Studios. We bring you content on productivity, relationships, and how to harmonize them with nature. All right, let's get started. First part, the value of time. Let's start with the first key point, the value of time. Kruse emphasizes that every day, we're each allocated the same 1,440 minutes, and how we use them defines our success and fulfillment. This concept is a wake-up call to evaluate how we spend our time. It's about more than just being busy. It's about being effective. The idea is to focus on activities that align with our goals and values, making conscious choices rather than reacting to what comes our way. This shift in perspective transforms our approach to daily tasks, pushing us to question the real value of each activity we engage in. Kruse's insights extend beyond mere time management. It's about life management. Understanding that time is our most limited resource, we start to see the importance of choices. It's not just about work efficiency, but also about carving out time for relationships, personal growth, and relaxation. This holistic approach ensures we don't just excel professionally, but also lead fulfilling personal lives. Part 2. Prioritization. Moving on to prioritization, Kruse introduces the Eisenhower Box method. This powerful tool helps categorize tasks into 4 quadrants based on their urgency and importance. This method isn't just about sorting tasks, it's about aligning your daily actions with your long-term goals. It forces us to critically assess what we're spending our time on and whether it's contributing to our objectives. The method highlights that not everything urgent is important and vice versa, guiding us to focus our energy on tasks that have a real impact. This approach is transformative. It's about breaking the cycle of constantly reacting to the latest demands and instead taking control of our priorities. When we focus on important tasks that aren't necessarily urgent, we proactively shape our future. This quadrant method is a tool for empowerment, ensuring that our time is spent on what truly matters to us. Part 3. Productivity Techniques. Let's talk about productivity techniques. Kruse doesn't prescribe a one-size-fits-all solution. Instead, he explores various techniques that have worked for successful people. Techniques like the Pomodoro Technique, which involves focused work for 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute break, help in maintaining high levels of productivity without burnout. Similarly, time blocking allocates specific chunks of time for different tasks or activities, ensuring dedicated focus and reducing the tendency to multitask. What's fascinating here is the emphasis on personalization. Kruse acknowledges that everyone's work style and life commitments are unique. Hence, the key is to experiment with different techniques and find what works best for you. It's about developing a personal productivity system that's flexible, sustainable, and aligns with your rhythms and lifestyle. Part 4. Managing Distractions. Now, on to managing distractions. In our world of constant connectivity and notifications, distractions are the biggest productivity killers. Kruse advises creating a proactive environment to minimize interruptions. This means setting boundaries and being disciplined about your focus time. For instance, allocating specific times for checking emails and social media can significantly cut down distractions. Creating physical and mental spaces conducive to concentration is equally important. Kruse's approach is practical and straightforward. It's about understanding the triggers that pull us away from focused work and systematically eliminating or managing them. This could involve having honest conversations with colleagues and family about your work hours, or even redesigning your workspace to minimize distractions. It's about reclaiming control over your attention. Part 5. Effective email management. The fifth secret, effective email management, addresses one of the most time-consuming aspects of modern work life. Kruse introduces the Ohio method, only handle it once. This is about making immediate decisions on each email so you're not constantly revisiting the same messages. It's a strategy that requires discipline but is incredibly effective in managing the email overload. By dealing with each email only once, either by responding, deleting, delegating, or filing for later, we avoid the constant mental clutter and save a significant amount of time. Kruse also suggests other strategies like unsubscribing from unnecessary newsletters and using email filters to organize messages better. These techniques reduce the volume of emails we deal with daily and help keep our inboxes manageable. The goal is to prevent email from becoming a constant distraction, allowing us to focus on tasks that are more aligned with our goals. Part 6. Delegation. Continuing on, Kruse dives into the topic of delegation. This isn't just about offloading tasks. It's about recognizing which tasks can be efficiently completed by others. Successful people understand their strengths and focus on tasks where they add the most value, delegating others to free up their time. Kruse stresses the importance of clear communication and trust in delegation. It's not just about getting tasks off your plate. It's about empowering others and ensuring that the work is done effectively. The art of delegation also involves letting go of the need for control. It's about trusting your team or colleagues to handle tasks in their way. This not only frees up your time for high-impact activities but also encourages a culture of responsibility and growth among your team. Kruse's approach to delegation is holistic, emphasizing its role in personal productivity and team dynamics. Part 7. Power of saying no. Next, Kruse discusses the power of saying no. This is crucial in managing your time. Every yes to one request is a no to something else, potentially more important. Kruse suggests techniques for saying no in a way that is respectful yet firm. It's about understanding your priorities and not overcommitting. This skill is essential in maintaining focus on your goals and not getting sidetracked by every request or opportunity that comes your way. Saying no is not just about guarding your time. It's about aligning your actions with your priorities. It's a skill that requires practice, but is incredibly empowering. By saying no to things that don't align with your goals, you create space for activities that are truly meaningful and contribute to your success. Kruse provides practical advice on how to say no effectively, ensuring that your time is spent on your highest priorities. All right, folks. That's our deep dive into 15 Secret Successful People. Know About Time Management by Kevin Kruse. These secrets are a blueprint for anyone looking to make the most of their time and achieve their goals. Don't forget to subscribe to Arimation Studios for more insightful content. This is Alex from Nature, Relation, Productivity, signing off. Stay productive, stay balanced, and we'll catch you in the next episode.